All right, let's solve this probability question. If a pair six-sided die is rolled three times, what is the probability that exactly one three is rolled? Exactly one three is rolled. So it is rolled three times, and exactly one three is rolled is what they have asked the probability for. All right. So out of the three different rolls, exactly once is when the three occurs. So in how many ways can I choose a roll where the three occurs? So we have one choice out of three, which can be done in 3C1 ways. So I can select one roll out of three in one, and in that roll, one three occurs, which has a probability of 1 out of 6 because there's six. There are six spaces with six distinct numbers, one of which is three. So 1/6 for getting that three is the probability. And for the other two rolls, I do not want three, which for which the probability is 1 minus 1/6, which is 5/6 and 5/6, right? For the other two rolls. Now this equates to 3C1 is 3, 1/6, and then 25 upon 36. So this is 25 upon 216. This 3 goes, 21 is 7 and 2. So we have 25/70. Therefore, choice C is our correct answer. Thank you.